Good evening, everyone. This is Chef Jan here from the Artisan Chef. First time I'm doing an unboxing. I've been working with Vitamix for many years in the kitchen, and we saw this in the store, so I thought let's go ahead and buy this and check it out. So Vitamix is an immersion blender that works with a very powerful engine, and it grinds things very fast, so it grinds it very fine too. So that's why chefs use it in the kitchen to create a very smooth consistency. So let's unbox. It's a nice box here. Wow, that's pretty heavy. So with the back, we have a cup and a blender and the instructions, of course, but let's put the box away. This must be the stick blender. Comes in a nice little bag. This the stick blender itself, so it has a knife, very powerful, very sharp, and then it has whisks as well if you want to whisk some heavy cream or things like that. And then of course the tool as well is actually very heavy. I didn't expect it to be that heavy. It's probably because the engine is very powerful, so it's a very durable product too. It's like Vitamix usually lasts very long if you take care of it, of course. So we have this, and this, the bag itself. I think this is more for shakes, so my wife is a big shake drinker, so something easy for in the morning to quickly make some great shakes, healthy shakes. So, and then we have the kind of a grinder, spice grinder type thing that you can grind vegetables in here, all kinds of smaller ingredients. So I expect this. You just basically turn this on, click it in there. Let's see how this let's plug it in here. Great. Always be careful. This knife is super sharp. Make sure nothing of your own body is close by. Yeah, there's 4 or 5 speeds on this I read earlier, so as you can hear, this is probably the highest. This is the highest one. So that's a mixer. In the kitchen we use this as well for texturas, so we use lecithin and we create foam for plating, or we make a mayonnaise and things like that. Make a soup, we would use this one. The blender, the whisk itself is more for creating some foam as well, but mostly it would be for heavy cream to whip it, or something like a milk for a cappuccino or something. So as you can see here, same thing again, multiple levels, but so we have that. and then the blender here is similar system as like the probably have to turn this around. Yep, a similar system as the immersion blender as well. But so I'll take the knife out of the plastic. Make sure it's locked in very well. Again, those blades are very sharp. You don't want to get injured in any way. So then you, same thing as here, and here you make sure you turn it around until you hear like a click, and when you push the button, that's when the knife starts to work. As in security, when you release your finger from the power button, the knife stops. So we can push it on different levels. As you can see here, you have the lights, and the light shows the level. So this is the highest level. That is great. You can use this for nuts, to grind things very fine like garlic, parsley. You know, even if you have a smaller portion of a soup, you can blend the soup in here very smooth. Some fruit purees, things like that. This engine is very strong, so it will grind it super fast and very fine too. Like, you create very nice, in the kitchen as a chef, we create very nice purees with this, super smooth. All the little bits and pieces, you grind it into very, very smooth puree. So again, we turn this around, and we have a little cup here as well with the milliliters for European and with the cups for American. So yeah, this is a great new tool. We have the Vitamix blender too. Let me see if I can find it here. So this is an older tool, but this is a second product from Vitamix. This is actually a product that we use every single day in the kitchen and at home too. So this is a little bit older. We have this for many years, but I love this. I love Vitamix as a chef, as a home cook. My wife loves Vitamix, and I'm excited to start cooking with the immersion blender since our last one broke. Not a Vitamix product, but so yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. This is very rare. I do a product evaluation or unboxing. Maybe in the future I might do this more often, but usually we are going to see artisans and talk about artisans. But this is different today, and I'm excited to work, and I will put a recipe and a new video on YouTube, and I will make something with the immersion blender then to show you what you can do with it. So see you all next time. Happy cooking.